we're starting our footwork. Your footwork is literally everything. I cannot overstate how important it is to be able to shift your weight easily, to be able to use your feet to push against the floor, to have your soft knees so that you can move across the floor like it's like you're floating, right? This is how it starts. Before you dance, you have to be able to walk on the beat, to orient yourself in space, to count your steps as you're moving. Honestly, when I danced for a company in Seoul, we started every rehearsal by walking. Again, I cannot overstate how important these basics are. When you first see your exercise, it's just like, yeah, but this is just walking. No, but it is the foundation of your footwork, which is the foundation of movement, quite frankly. So this exercise is quite simple. You'll have to do it to the right and to the left. If you have any questions about it, concerns, confusions, let me know in the comments. I'll do my best to answer them. There's a step-by-step outline of the exercise in the description, and you can always watch it in slow-mo if you get confused about what step is where. Thank you so much for supporting Do It Like a Dancer. If you'd like to support me further and get access to exclusive benefits, such as Zoom workshops, early access to video content, behind the scenes clips on my creative work, and much, much more, then support me on Patreon. My link is patreon.com/JillianRhodes the Performer. Each tier has all kinds of different benefits, so check it out and I look forward to seeing you there.